Hey, grab your double sticks and do this little double stick workout with me today. Let's go for it. Right away, jumping right into it. We're not wasting any time today. We're gonna start off with some warm-up exercises right here. Get the wrists warmed up first. Doing our forward rotations right here. And remember, don't open the hand. See how my grip is closed? Look, I'm not doing this. Keeping the grip closed. Let's go, rotate them. Then we're gonna go forward and back, just like this. All the way to a full chamber. I want you to touch your shoulders. Look at this. Touch. Touch that full chamber. Touch. 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 But look what I'm doing here. Stop the tips on line with your eyes and then bring them back. Okay? None of this. Don't swing them down and then be whacking yourself in the knee and in the shins. Okay, right here. Pop. 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 Boom. Boom. One rotation forward, stop it. One rotation back, all the way to full chamber. Right there. Pop. 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 All right, let's get our shoulders warmed up. Get some big rotation, shoulder circles going. Let the momentum of the sticks drop and bring your arms back up. Okay, we're trying to use as little to no muscular engagement here and just use momentum. Good dynamic stretch for the shoulders. Let's go the other way. All right, let's start striking nice and easy on our basic fluid strikes. Come up the angle 4, starting from the chamber position, up the angle 4 with the bottom hand, down the angle 1 with the top hand, and then same thing on the other side. Once you're getting it, see if you can add in a little bit of a side step footwork with it. Step, 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 step. One strike, one step. One strike, one step. Get a little calibration going between the weapon and the feet. Now from here, we're going to go to the open position. We're going to strike a high, a broken low, and then back up high, all with the right hand, then all with the left hand. High horizontal, a broken low horizontal, and then a high backhand all the way through horizontal. So high, low, high, high, low, high. Get the sticks moving first. Take your time. The coordination is more important than the speed. I want you to imagine, boom, striking your opponent right into the neck or right across the temple or ear, and then boom, hit him in the knee, and then bam, right back up to the head. Get down. See how I'm ducking, getting a little bit of that lunge squat in there. Bam, look at that. Good position. Okay, none of this, don't lean. Get down there. Get down there. Boom. Bah. 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 All right, boom, okay, right here. From our open position, once again, we go into our single weave. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Right hand angle one, left hand angle one. That crosses our arms. Right hand angle two, left hand angle two. That uncrosses our arms. This is called a single weave because we're weaving our arms once. Good basic Sinawali drill here, right here. Here, I'll turn around. You can follow along with me on this one. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Right angle one, left angle one. Right angle two, left angle two. Okay? Get it going. If you've got it, then I want you to speed it up. Okay, do a little bit with the right foot forward, face one direction. Then do a little bit, turn, and do a little bit with the left foot forward, facing the other direction. See if you could turn 90 degrees. And then turn 90 degrees again. Boom, bam, all the way around. Boom. Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna curve it right there. Go back to the first drill. Our basic fluids with the footwork. Okay? But I want you to start putting intention into your strikes this time. I want you to imagine that you're hitting your opponent's hand, you hit their other hand. Hit their hand, hit their other hand. Don't just hit it, take it off. This is Kali. We don't just destroy things and hurt things. We remove things. Make sure you're not standing up straight like this, like a pencil. Bend your knees. Get a little hinge. Athletic. Get into that athletic stance. Okay? Don't over-rotate your body. Make sure you can still see right in front of you. And now we're gonna go back. 1, 2, strike. 1, 2, right there. High, low, high. High, low, high. Look at the footwork this time. Stepping, ducking while my feet are together, or at least under my hips. And then step on the backhand horizontal. Step, duck, step, step, duck, step, step, duck, step. Go a little slower on this one if you need to. Work that coordination and that calibration between the weapon and your feet. You want me to turn around on this one here? Right here. Boom, boom, pop. Step, duck, step. 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 Back into our single weave. Slow it down a little bit if you have to here. Use your movement to catch your breath. Take the intention out of your strikes. If you need to, catch your breath. We're not going to take a break by stopping. This is your rest point right now. Okay? We're going to keep moving. That's going to help to build up your endurance. You don't want to stop and then disengage your body. Keep it moving. Rest through movement if you need to. Now, if you don't need to, then I want you to bringing your strikes up in front of your face and put that intention behind your strikes. Like you're hitting, you're hitting, you're hitting, you're hitting. Now watch this. You're gonna see how we're starting with the right hand here. Right hand leads the way. Okay? We're gonna switch it. Watch carefully. On this one, I'm gonna go with a broken one. And now I'm gonna strike my left, right, left, right. Did you catch that switch? Now the left hand is leading the way. Go slow it down if you need to here. And we're gonna make another switch. We're gonna work on our switches here. Left hand right here. Don't go fluid, go broken. See how it comes back? Naturally rotate your body going back. And now you're back to right hand leads the way, or the right hand dominance. Okay, get that flow moving a little bit. Right hand broken. Switch. Left hand. You can even switch your feet, put your left foot forward, if that helps you. Take the intention out of the strikes, learn the coordination, get the pattern down first. Left hand broken. So that's a hit and retract. Broken strike, you hit to the center and then retract. A fluid strike is what we're doing now. We're striking all the way through the center line to the other side of the body. Let me turn this around here. All right, we're gonna make that switch right now. Broken. Okay, get ready for that left hand switch. Right here, broken left hand. Back to the right. Right is leading. Okay, good. 2 more times per side. Right hand switch. Let's get this flowing a few times. All right, this next pass, left hand broken. Switch. We're gonna do it one more time together. Get that right hand ready. Focus on that right hand. What is it doing? Right here, broken. Okay. Left hand switch. All right. Not too hard, not too complicated. All right, let's go back into our forward rolls. Wrist work. Forward and back. I want you to alternate them. Right out, left out. Right out, left out. And then together. Same thing, alternate, starting with the left hand. See if you can speed it up. Together. All right, and circles. And the other way. Take some breaths. Fill your lungs deeply. One more. All right, if you're good for another 2 rounds, what I want you to do right now is hit the refresh on this video and pump out another 2 rounds of this workout. I love doing these short kind of workout routines a couple times just throughout the day when there's nothing really going on. You know, I don't want to just sit around and be lazy and do nothing. Those are good times to just take 10 minutes or 15 minutes and just get some practice in. And it doesn't always have to be this super strict training regimen. It could be something like this. You just pick 2, 3, 4 drills and you just cycle through them and just turn them into a workout just like this. If you would like to pick up a pair of traditional rattan Kali sticks like the ones I'm using right here, I have a link to our store down below to trigonalgear.com. Click on that and go ahead and order yourself a pair or 2 of Kali sticks. They also come with a complimentary sleeve bag too, so you can sling them and bring them with you to the gym or to on a hike, anywhere you're going to work out. If you're looking to continue your training with Kali Center, and if you do not have a training partner and you're training mostly solo, I want you to head over to KaliCenter.com. I'll have this also. This will be the first link down in the description. And check out my Kali Foundations home study course. It's 100% solo training, and it breaks Kali down by the areas of Kali. So every weapon category has its own section. Lots of good drills and workouts, and I'm adding new videos to the libraries all the time. The Kali Foundation home study course it's a one-time purchase and it's a lifetime access. So it's a great deal. I have a discount code right next to the link in the description below just for you working out with me today in this video. All right, I'll see you for rounds 3 and 4. If you hit the refresh, if not, take care, and I'll see you back here in the next one, or maybe I'll see you over at KaliCenter.com and we'll continue your training together.